Hello everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. Today we are going to teach you how to create or generate screenshots for uploading on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. So for that, first you have to just open your application. Actually, this tutorial is for the hybrid applications. So you can just simply open your hybrid applications. In a Cordova application, we use the index.html file to design our web page. So we open the index.html on a Google Chrome browser, and we just click on inspect element. That's the first step we have to do. Then the page will come like this. Then you have to just click on this button that is called toggle device toolbar. Just click on that, and your screen will match up to the device settings right here. So as you could see, there is a couple of device details here. So for Android, we use Moto G4 or Pixel 2 XL. Both are sufficient. You can use anything. For iOS, we need iPhone 6 or 7 or 8 screenshot, or iPhone 6, 7, 8 plus screenshots, iPhone 10 screenshot, and iPad Pro screenshots for uploading your application to the iOS store. So firstly, let's take iPhone 6 or 7 or 8 plus. As you could see, when I selected the device, the screen has been resized to fit the device resolutions. So first let's take the screenshot. You can just click here and click on option capture full size screenshot. Never click on capture screenshot. If you click on capture screenshot, what happens is that it will take the screenshot of the viewpoint. Viewpoint means only what you can see right now. Okay, it will not be on the correct size as per the device resolution. It will be just a sample copy, just like a draft version. So you can just click on capture full size screenshot. It will take the full size screenshot. As you could see, look, a high resolution image which you can use easy to upload to the Play Store or App Store depending upon your store configurations. So um, this is how you create screenshots instantly using Google Chrome. If after you taking a screenshot, if you see your screen is like this, then just click on this toggle device button once again to refit the screen to your device configuration. So let's take a screenshot for iPhone X. Here you have iPhone X, and you can take a full screenshot, and the screenshot will be downloaded to your Google Chrome window. Similarly, for iPhone iPad Pro, we do the similar screenshot. Just taken the screenshot, and let's see if it get uploaded. It's iPad screenshot. Look, it's just an easy to upload version. You don't need to worry about the size, the specification, or anything. The iPad Pro screenshot can be used on both second and third generation displays because their resolutions are similar. So you can just use that. So you could see we just uploaded both of the design to the iOS very easily. So that's how you just create and upload images to the App Store and Google Store easily using Google Chrome. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do let us know if you have any queries and doubts via comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.